warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing a 3-minute Keto Choco Lava Cake. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. "28 grams almond flour, 7 grams unsalted white butter, Zevic Stevia, 1 whole egg, vanilla essence, 5 grams Hershey's Cocoa Unsweetened, baking powder. So for the glazed chocolate, I'm using a Zevic Belgian dark chocolate, which is sugar-free, and almond milk unsweetened. So for the mug cake, first we're going to add some almond flour. To that we're going to add our Hershey's Cocoa Unsweetened. Mix it and give it a nice stir. To this we're going to add our butter. Next we're going to add our egg. We're going to first beat the egg and add the egg to the same. Now we're going to add some baking powder, vanilla essence and stevia powder. Now we're going to mix this well. So you have to see to it that there are no lumps that are formed. It's going to be a nice gooey and crunchy mixture. Once it is thick and nice, now we're going to take a mug. So now in the mug we're going to add 2/3 of the mixture. Here we go. And now we are going to microwave the same for 30 seconds. Now to make the glazed chocolate, here we have 40 grams of Zevic Belgium chocolate. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Zevic Stevia powder, and here I'm adding my almond milk. That's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to put in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now our glazed chocolate is ready. Now I'm going to add the glazed chocolate over my mug cake, which I made for 30 seconds. So this is going to make the cake really gooey and moist. Okay, now I'm going to add the last layer of my cake and evenly distribute it on top. Now I'm going to microwave this once again for last 30 seconds. And our choco lava cake is ready. Optional, you can put the glazed chocolate over this once again. So our chocolatey gooey keto lava cake is ready. So you see, it's super easy. Benefits are the same. You can eat your favorite dessert guilt-free. It cooks less than 3 minutes. Also, it's loaded with protein and fiber and contains only 3 grams of net carbs. I would like to thank Zevic Stevia for the same. They have amazing products available on their website. Please log on to www.zevic.in and check their website. They have amazing chocolates made with stevia and also have great sweeteners. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.